Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Aquarius. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, if you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, Aquarius, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So, let's start with these cards for your general energies first. So, we have Nine of Pentacles, Five of Cups, and Hermit. So, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your career or in your relationship, you are happy about something. You feel that you can rely on this person, or you are happy about some circumstance. Something is happening as expected. Maybe in your work, you are seeing expected results, or circumstances are really good. You feel happy for it. You are thinking about something important today. Maybe you are happy to be in this connection with this person, but there are certain things you are worried about. Maybe this person is not what you expected, or they are what you expected, but there are some things you need to work on in this relationship. There may be minor misunderstandings, some arguments may be there, some stressful circumstances may be there in this relationship, and there is some frustration or bitterness on your part. So you are thinking about something, you are wishing for those things you lost, maybe the days that went by in this relationship, the beautiful days you had, a wonderful understanding, a great time. So you are just wishing that those days were here, wishing for something better, but you are not seeing the reality, guys, Aquarius. Because right now you have this person you love. All you need to do is try to make this relationship a better one, try to find that understanding and make this relationship work. Maybe so brooding over what has happened, or wishing for something better, is not going to change the way things are in this relationship. And also, guys, you are making an important choice today. Maybe you are in a committed relationship and you are, what to say, thinking within yourself whether you need this connection or not. So you are thinking that way, and you feel that though this relationship is uh, a good one, maybe it is okay to be with this person, it is something very ordinary and there is nothing, what to say, nothing extraordinary to hold on in this connection, guys. So that may be what you feel about this person or about this love. So maybe it may be your energy or their energy to you, towards you, towards this connection. So let's see what is the card for relationship. It's Lovers in reverse. So though it is love, it may be true love and honest love, but it needs lot of work. Maybe there are certain things you need to work on in this relationship, certain things missing, because maybe you have made some rash decisions for yourself, or it may be your person's energy. They have made some rash decisions. That may be the reason for the way things are going today. But if you are able to correct it, guys, if you are able to change it, this connection will work for you, Aquarius. So, for your career circumstance, Aquarius, we have 10 of Cups. Such a beautiful card here for your work situation. So, things are going in a positive way. You feel really safe, secure. Maybe you're getting the opportunities you wish for in your work situation. So things are going in a really positive way, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the first card for y'all, for those who chose this card. Red Riding Hood, Rites of Passage. So that is the card here, guys. So in your circumstances, maybe you are trusting someone that you cannot trust. Maybe this person may have some mask, maybe they are hiding their true intentions. They are trying to be really friendly with you, trying to groom you or influence you in some ways, but they are doing that to harm you, guys. So you must have a clarity today, have clarity. Be really aware of the people you are with, maybe whom you should trust and whom you should not trust. So you must be really discerning. That is what this card is about. And you need to remember who you are and what are your capabilities and what are you and what is your life path. And you need to be focused. You should not give in to any distractions coming your way. So you should not be deceived by appearances also, guys, because appearances are deceiving. So you should see your circumstances with your heart, not with your head. That will give you clarity. And you must stay on course, maybe whatever dreams you have for your life. You must stay towards that. Be really focused. You must stay safe. Because right now, your situation, in your circumstances, you are losing focus and you are maybe thinking of something you need not do, maybe giving into some temptations and trusting people whom you should not trust. So you must be really careful, guys. You must stay focused to your goals and the purpose of your life. And in your heart of hearts, deep down, your instincts will tell you what you need to do. You should go for it. You should trust your instincts and you must always remember who you are, what are your goals, and you must also be aware of your, what to say, of our own nature, guys. Even all of us have goodness and bad qualities, good and bad qualities in us. So we must be really aware of those bad qualities and be really good, try to be good, and try to be that person who is always positive and who is always focused. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to be really careful about whom you trust today. That is the energy with this card. So for those who chose the second card, so that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. So we will keep this card aside. We will see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Soulmates. Such a beautiful card here, guys. So with this card, the energy is that soulmates are people who come to us maybe for a short time or for a long time, but our relationship with them is the reason for some change that happens within us. So, soulmates can be friends or family members, but they are your greatest gift, guys, because they are here for a reason. So, in a relationship, when we have that deep attraction, that bonding, perfect bonding with this person, love, that love that overwhelms us in a very positive way, that changes us. The same way, some soulmates, what to say, they cause a strong aversion in us towards them, maybe hatred also. So these relationships, these soulmates just break us down and they help us to realize what we are deep down, what are our uh, characteristics, and it just brings out our true nature. So no matter whether this relationship is a good one or a bad one, you are in presence of a soulmate, and you need to pay attention today, guys, because this person is here to give you a picture of yourself. So you must be really aware of what is happening right now. Be really mindful of your circumstances today. And this relationship is going to give you that emotional and spiritual growth, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.